These entities are showing me that they're in control and they can do what they want to do. And it's got nothing to do with you. You can complain as much as you like. You know, I can meditate. I used to meditate in martial arts. Meditate and send messages with my head, you know, through my head. Don't come to me again. I don't want to see you. Leave me alone. But you obviously ain't going to. Okay, Dad.
So it's quite a fast experience here. It's interesting it took place so soon after the other encounter. You do get that, you tend to get that, you get patterns in cases where people will see beings multiple times in quick succession over a period of days or weeks, and then there might be kind of gaps of sometimes years. There's the drawing that John, so this is John asleep in the bed. He's drawn just the head of the being because he couldn't see its body at this point. He was staring at it, it was up close. So it was just right there next to him, hovering over the over the pillow. Really interesting. You may think, why on earth would a grey do that? Why would it lie down? Well, I've dealt with other cases like this. They do strange things sometimes, and it's possible that it was trying to imitate John because John was in a lying down position. It was trying to imitate what he was doing, or maybe even it was doing that to kind of be more familiar or more friendly towards John. And this retreat downwards out of view, so this time it kind of, just like last time, it was moving fast out of sight. It was like it didn't want to be seen, and again it's kind of moving out very soon after he sees it. This clarity of the silhouette that John mentioned is a very interesting aspect to this. So if it was physically there, then logically, if his glasses weren't on, he would have seen it kind of a bit blurred, and yet he said the edges were crystal clear. So that doesn't necessarily mean this was taking place in his mind. It could have been physically there still, but it may have been putting on some kind of mind projection, showing him its true form, and that's why you're seeing it clearly. There's a level of telepathy going on with it. This is just a theory. We have no idea for definite, but it's certainly a very odd experience.